use these little things to keep it strapped. Keeps things a little neater. If only they can make these cordless, hoseless. That'd be sweet. These windows. Right here. I always tip for the water-fed pole with the hose. I always stretch my water-fed pole where I want to begin, and I stretch the hose out from there. What I used to do, and drove me absolutely nuts, was I would just hook up to the hose and start pulling from where the hose was next to the hose bib, and I would find out that I'd have to move my stuff around, and you're dealing with hoses and getting all tangled up. So this is a little bit quicker. Hopefully there's no snakes in here. Any snakes? Any scorpions? So I'd stretch that out, and then I'd get the other hose, that yellow one on the Xero Pure, connect it. Because then, oh, by the way, if you have a Xero Pure and you're tired of tripping over this thing, I just hook it right on there. Never falls. Another tip for you. I take this hose out. In the beginning, I would get so irritated with hoses and getting all tangled up. So, yeah. Just put the water-fed pole where you want to begin, and then unwind stuff working backwards. That way, you don't have to move as much. So there's a hose bib right there, but my hose can stretch from there, obviously, all the way over to the Xero Pure. So this hose, and obviously you can get longer hoses. This is what just comes with the Xero Pure. So that hose goes about right there, so I know that's where I'm going to have to put this bad boy, and it just keeps you from having to move more and more stuff. You can work a little bit faster. Get that on there. Now if I just had one other person here to help stretch this stuff out, it'd go that much quicker. Start cleaning windows. Working on that part of the business still. Get her nice and done up. And now from here, stretch this hose out. Oh, go underneath that so we don't have issues later. Getting tangled up. Hook on. And we're ready to rock. Yep.